Welcome back. Week number 16, hike number 11. This week's a little different. This week we're actually hiking somewhere where we have cell phone coverage. So the All Trails map works a little better than normal without downloading the maps. We are at California State Nature Preserve, just southeast of Cincinnati, Ohio. There's a total of 4 trails here, totaling about 5.6 miles across all 4. Not sure if we'll get to all 4 today, but we're gonna make a good college try at it. This place is a little different than what we're used to. Not only does it have cell phone coverage, it's got a lot of background noise. It's close to Lincoln Airport, close to the highway. You can hear the cars, you can hear the airplanes going in and out. It's a little different, but it's a nice little slice of wilderness right in the middle of the city. Silly me, thinking, well, this is in the city, it can't be too bad. Leave my walking sticks in the car. That was not one of my better decisions ever. This place is kicking my butt. There's not a lot of elevation gain, but it's pretty abrupt when it does because we're right on the edge of the Ohio River Valley, so sucking wind a little bit at the moment. This city hiking's getting me down. So I'm walking along and I come across this concrete and it's got railroad tracks running through it. I don't know if there used to be, obviously there used to be a railway here. I'm not sure what it is. I'm going to have to research the history on this and maybe do a separate video on it. All right, that puts week 16, hike number 11 in the books. That does it for California Nature Preserve, just outside the city, about 5 miles, almost 1,000 feet in elevation gain up and down. So we'll see you guys next time. Until we see you again, take care out there. We'll see you on the trail.